Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to reset your password on Ziprecruiter. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Ziprecruiter employer account. I'm going to be doing that using the employer account. So once you do that, I'd just like to let you know one or two things about Ziprecruiter. Now, Ziprecruiter is a job site that aims to match businesses with the right people for their open roles. It's AI matching, finds and reaches out to specific job candidates to apply for your open position as soon as it goes live. So now that we know a bit of what Ziprecruiter is about, let's quickly hop into today's stats, which is how to reset your password on Ziprecruiter employer account. So from this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have the My Accounts tab. Click on that. You have this extended menu that says Subscriptions, Settings, Help Center, and Sign Out. Go then click on your name. That's Mary Smith in the first thing that you're going to see in there. You have an extended menu that says My Profile, Job List, Change Email, and Change Password. So you're going to have to click on Change Password, and it's going to take you to the password window. Read this on-screen information that says password must be at least 8 characters and passwords are kept 100% encrypted. So head over here and type in your current password. So for you to change it to a new password, it means you need to remember the current password. So let's say you had an issue with the current password, or you just cannot remember it anymore, or let's not say remember it, but then let's say your current password is too difficult for you to keep in your mind or to commit to memory. So go ahead and add your current password, and if you want to show the password, you can check this box to show your password. If you don't want to, click on that. Then after doing that, enter your new password. After entering your new password, here where you have this re-enter password, whatever you entered in here in the new password box, re-enter it here and click on change password. Now, if you cannot remember your current password, no hassle, just go ahead and click here, and they will email you with a link to reset your password. So that's pretty much it. So once you're done, click on change password and password will be changed. So this is pretty much how you can reset your password on Ziprecruiter. I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.